cutting-edge machine embodying meticulous design, unmatched functionality, and Geely's unyielding ambition to lead urban air mobility into the future. But there's more to this unveiling than just a glimpse of sleek rotors and futuristic fuselage. Let's break down the story behind the AE200, one component at a time, to understand the magnitude of this launch and what it means for the low-altitude economy. The key players. This isn't merely a showcase, it's a collaboration of some of the brightest minds and boldest leaders in the eVTOL space, starting with Geely, a brand known globally for automotive innovation that's now bridging the gap into the skies. Geely's investment in urban air mobility isn't just a business venture, it's a vision of the future where land and air interconnect seamlessly. With this, Geely solidifies its commitment to eVTOL innovation, marking a strategic entry that aligns with China's broader ambitions in the low-altitude economy. Enter Aerofugia, Geely's think tank and mastermind behind the AE200. This subsidiary doesn't just develop, it pioneers. Aerofugia has taken Geely's urban air mobility vision and crafted it into something more, an actual product ready for the skies. The AE200 isn't just a prototype or concept, it's a mass-produced, advanced eVTOL designed with the modern urban landscape in mind, making short, efficient flights over cities and regions an achievable reality. But let's not forget Sichuan Wofei Changkong. Initially an independent powerhouse in tech and drone expertise, it has now been woven into Geely's framework as a strategic asset. By infusing its specialized know-how, Wofei Changkong has elevated the AE200 with technological precision, ensuring that this vehicle is more than just functional, it's a safe, reliable, and transformative means of urban transport. AE200, a deeper dive into the specs. Now, for those of you curious about the AE200's build and capabilities, prepare to be amazed. Standing before the audience at Zhuhai, the AE200 is a wide-body eVTOL, distinct from many narrow-bodied competitors. This spacious design means greater comfort and capacity, redefining what passengers can expect from an eVTOL journey. From the outside, the AE200 appears both compact and robust, with its uniquely configured wings and innovative propeller system ensuring that, even when stationary, the propellers stay above ground level for added safety. As for performance, the AE200 excels. This machine is built for efficiency and safety, able to soar a staggering 200 kilometers on a single charge while switching seamlessly between vertical and horizontal flight modes. During vertical takeoff, the AE200's rotors operate at a 90-degree tilt, gradually shifting to a horizontal position as it achieves cruising altitude. This advanced design optimizes flight distance and ensures that the AE200 is adaptable to various flight paths and urban landscapes. Cabin comfort and operational versatility. Inside, the AE200 is just as impressive. The wide cabin is equipped with comfortable seats and a pilot-friendly cockpit that incorporates SVO technology, simplifying piloting requirements for a new generation of aviation professionals. Not only does this make training more accessible, but it also aligns perfectly with current civil aviation standards, easing the path toward commercial operation in urban centers. The AE200 even has a dedicated luggage compartment, capable of holding multiple boarding boxes, demonstrating Geely's commitment to a complete passenger experience. By offering comfort, efficiency, and adaptability, this eVTOL model is designed with commercial viability in mind, appealing not just to innovators but to real-world travelers looking for faster, more convenient travel options within cities. Future vision, Geely's roadmap in urban air mobility. Now, you might be wondering, where does this all lead? How does the AE200 fit into the grander landscape of urban air mobility? As Geely's first venture into mass eVTOL production, the AE200 is a step toward establishing a sustainable, efficient, and highly integrated urban air transportation network. While Geely may not yet hold the industry dominance of eVTOL pioneers like EHang, the AE200 represents a powerful entry point, one that promises to drive real-world adoption and shape the low-altitude economy for years to come. Geely is positioning itself as an essential player in the urban air mobility arena, backed by strong partnerships and a resolute vision. As they advance, one can only anticipate a future where Geely's influence extends across both automotive and aerial landscapes, bridging industries and revolutionizing the concept of mobility as we know it. In closing, so, what does this mean for you? It means that the sky is no longer the limit. With the AE200, Geely is not only redefining travel but paving the way for an interconnected world where urban air mobility is a reality, not a concept. Stay tuned to eVTOLBrazil for the latest, because as we say here, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and for the AE200, that journey is already in motion. So, what does this mean for you? It means that the sky is no longer the limit. With the AE200, Geely is not only redefining travel but paving the way for an interconnected world where urban air mobility is a reality, not a concept. We're signing off for now, but we're leaving you with the next 2 minutes packed with a recap and extra details from what we've covered in this video. With respect and enthusiasm, Skylark at eVTOLBrazil.